Today, we are going to start our Canva design series, in which you see how you guys can create amazing and attractive posters, flyers, social media posts, and many more. So, without wasting any time, let's start our video. Before I start the video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So, I had opened up Canva in my PC. It's Canva free, not the pro version. And of course today we are going to create a restaurant flyer, so just search for flyer. There are more than 66,000 templates, some are free, and many are paid, but we will just select a blank one. First of all, let's pick a background for the flyer. For this I will go to Elements and search for black. You guys can also search using different keywords. I will select a shady background. After adjusting background, just decrease its transparency. Like this. After doing that, again in the Elements section, scroll down and you will see Frames, see all. Now search for egg-shaped frame, choose a simple one. Now, just adjust your frame like this. If you are a newbie to Canva, it will take a few time for you to fully understand it. After that, create a duplicate of it. To do that, right-click and click on Duplicate. The other method to do that is, first select the subject, then press Alt and drag. It will create a copy of it. Now I will change the color and change the angle. Just like that. Now, I will select all three eggs and click Group. All three are now joined to each other. First ungroup that. After that, in Elements search for Food and Pictures, just like I select this one. To adjust the image, double-click on it and adjust it. Now, again to Frames and choose Circle Frames, adjust them from larger to smaller like this. Now add food to the frames. After that, in Elements search for Gradient. Choose the one which you can change the color as well. After adjusting all these things in Elements, search for Logo, and put a logo there. In Elements, search for Brush and take a brush line. And adjust it on these circle frames like this. To adjust them, you can also use the arrow keys of your keyboard. Now I will add a little bit general context details and show you the final result. Here, you can see, I done a few things. As a final step, I will increase the transparency of background. I hope you guys have liked my video, and thanks for subscribing my channel.